So today we're gonna try to change Tesla battery, 12 volt one, because I had some message, and let's see. So 2 days ago I received a message from my Tesla that it's time to schedule a new booking for 12 volt battery replacement, and let me show you. And step by step, let's see. First step, open the bonnet. The bonnet is open. Step 2, remove the cover. I actually didn't have cover, I mean this cover, which I make from pantyhose. Nobody gonna know. So remove that cover, and here is the 12 volt low voltage battery. And this is the aftermarket one. Let's see. Now I think that first should stop the car. We go into the menu, safety, power off, power off. So step 2, power off. Now step 3, to be sure that the power is off, we're going to, so power is off. There is this thingy, and the other side another one. You can see there. Now what we need is to switch off this thing. How? Down and off. That's it. One is out. Let's see the other. So this one we don't touch in it, yeah? Better don't. Now what do we do? It's to remove this battery. That's it. Battery discharged. This one here. So here is the minus, here is the plus. Minus, plus. Don't forget this one. Now I connected it, the acid thingy, if it spilled it or whatever, but I still didn't connect the plus and minus. I'm suggesting to give it a couple minutes. All the batteries should be kind of off, but I know this from the past for the old cars, those with engines that might have some memory, and this is the one of the best ways time ago to restart the system when you disconnect the 12-volt battery. So let's give it a couple minutes. In my case I'm smoking, so I'll smoke a cigarette and then I'll connect the 12-volt battery, minus and plus, and then I'll connect the high volt battery, and then we go into the service menu to see. And now, a couple minutes later, the moment of the truth. Let's see. So we put first the plus, and we tie it up. Good. Now we put the minus. Whoop. If you hear this noise, it means it works. How it works, nobody knows. It's tight. Don't forget that thing. Here need to have another tap. And now we're going to put back the high voltage battery. Think is on. Now we got Tesla logo. Let's have a seat and see. Nothing here, absolutely quiet. It's automatically connected to the Wi-Fi already. Let's see. Let's give it a minute or two. Service. Software. Low voltage battery. Power distribution. Let's see. There is no messages, any alerts or anything. I don't know. I'll have to check. I was thinking to change the battery type, but should I?